How to invite friends on Sweatcoin. Hey guys, and welcome back. If you want to invite your friends on Sweatcoin, you can receive various kinds of awards and rewards as well. So, in order to achieve this, you just have to open your Sweatcoin application and log in. You will see different options such as invite your friends and win big, invite a friend and get 5 Sweatcoins, and such other daily rewards. For this, now tap on this profile icon with two profiles and scroll down a bit. There you will see the share link option. You just have to tap on copy, and this way you can tap on any of the application of your choice, choose the conversation, and the link will be shared to the friend. Once the other person creates an account using your link, only then you will be receiving 5 sweat coins. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.